because, and that means happiness in Tagalog. Because when you're well, you're happy. When you're sick, you're totally miserable. Financially, physically, emotionally, and it's not just you, it's your whole family as well. So as they do say, what's the point in saving and saving, but all of your savings go to sickness. Yes. So this is, by the way, this showcases Filipino culture. That's actually shell. That's kapis. Alright, that is this a typical window in a Filipino home. And this is hand-woven fabric. It's called inabel from the northern part of the Philippines. We promote the northern part of the Philippines here because I don't know if you know Gabriela Silang, the Filipino Joan of Arc. She actually led the soldiers in a mutiny against the Spaniards. Right? She's actually my great-great-grandmother. So it's like a homage to her. That's what we're doing.
Nice.
So she had her revolution. Our revolution is against sickness. And we do this through education, through immersive experiences. So it's not enough to talk about it. It's important to experience it, and you experience it this morning. Alright, you can go on.